Welcome back to another P2P Lending portfolio update, where I will share with you the changes in my portfolio over the past month. As always, this is no investment advice. P2P Lending is risky, and if you don't do your research and monitor the latest events, you may lose your money. In the right column, you can see how the portfolio has changed over the last month. I reinvested the returned principal and interest on Peabody and made new deposits on Lande and Nectaro. I also doubled my exposure on Triple Dragon funding. The largest share of the portfolio is allocated on Peabody, which continues to perform as expected. The loans and interest are paid on time. This month, most of my loans were from Poland and the Philippines, which come with a 60-day buyback guarantee as well as a group guarantee. Recently, the platform also changed its terms for the secondary market. Investors must now hold any investment for at least 180 days before listing it for sale to other investors. Loyalty bonuses have also been removed, meaning that you can only sell the loans at par or with a discount. As expected, there has been no change in my portfolio on Estate Guru. Based on last year's recovery report, it does not look like we should expect much positive news from this platform this year either. The longer the platform holds onto the investments, the more costs will accumulate, which are then passed on to the investors, who then bear all the losses. On Fintown, I reinvested some of the received principal in a recent lot in the rental project Žičany. There are no changes to report about Crowdpeer. I increased my position on Lande, currently less than 5% of my portfolio is in default, while the rest continues to perform as expected. Moving on to Indemo, where the recovery steps have been updated for several of the debts in which I invested. There's been no full recovery during February. Indemo continues to offer high cashback bonuses throughout March, in case you're interested in investing in discounted Spanish debts. There is not much to report about my investment on Income and Afranga. They continue to perform as expected. Afranga also recently launched Save Smart, which is like an auto invest into stick credit loans. The tool lets you reduce the lockup period to 3 months, but at a lower interest rate. This option is suitable for short-term investors who want to test Afranga rather than long-term investors who don't need quick liquidity. I increased my stake on Nectaro, investing only in the Romanian market. I also doubled my investment on Triple Dragon funding while securing a 14% interest rate as well as a 2% instant bonus. The 2% bonus offer is currently no longer available. However, if you are new to the platform and you register through our link on P2P Empire, you can get a 1% bonus on top of the currently offered rates. To learn more about Triple Dragon funding, you can watch the full review, including an interview with the founder right here. At the end of February, my portfolio value stood at €138,551, representing an increase of 6.19% compared to the previous month. The portfolio generated €1,292 last month, which is an increase of 34%. Most of my funds are allocated to Peabody and Fintown, followed by Afranga, Indemo and Lande. Around 5% of the portfolio is not performing, while the rest continues to generate interest. The portfolio remains diversified across several countries, mainly Poland, the Czech Republic, Spain and Bulgaria. Most of my loans are longer term, such as commercial real estate and agricultural loans. The share of rental projects and discounted debts is about 15% and 9% respectively. About 36% of my portfolio is secured by collateral, while the remaining 64% consists of unsecured loans backed by company assets or buyback guarantees. My weighted average interest rate increased to 11.71% with an average investment size of €685 spread across 202 loans in 16 countries. To review the internal return rate for each platform, please visit our portfolio page on P2P Empire. For additional information, you can also access the semi-raw data on buymeacoffee.com, which is available to our members. So that's it for this month's update. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to not miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next one.